I live for consciousness to go beyond the border. Hip-hop innovation and raising my little daughter. I'm always on the move, you can find me around the corner. What you live for? To die for my peeps and live for honor. What you live for? Nah, kid, it's complicated. I figure Zion need to be more infiltrated. From day one, we were liberated until we fell victim to the system we created. Yo, I wanna be remembered when I'm gone. The struggle continues on and on and on. How we live, we will never be satisfied. We're never gonna be until another man dies. Open up your eyes, realize the truth. I had to shoot, puffing on skunk like Snoop. So blocker, 2 shots up in the air. No retreat, no surrender, and more flair.